Hey friends, welcome to a new video on Tens Corner. It's my first time doing a video on unboxing of an electronic device. If any mistakes, please do bear with me. So, my today's video is about unboxing the new model of Samsung M series. That is Samsung Galaxy M31s. I ordered it on Amazon for the Prime Deal offer and bought it for 19,499. So now let's open this box. So I'm breaking the seal here. Okay, so here we have the Samsung M31s. So if you can see here in this, we got a box that has the ejection toolkit in it, as well as there's also the quick start guide, the regional log guide, and the warranty card. So you get these two documents along with it. Okay, so let's keep this aside. So here is the Samsung M31s. So let's remove it from the cover. So I'm sliding it out. Okay, so here is the M31s. So let's remove the back sticker. So here is the M31s. It looks really cool to see. It has got a glass finishing with a gradient look. So if you can see, there's the silver on top, then it comes to a darker shade of gray, and then you can see it's black down. So it has got a gradient look. Okay, now let's see what else does the box contain. Okay, so as you can see here, we have the USB cable. It's a C-type USB cable. The interesting part is both the sides of the cable are C-type, and we have the power adapter of 25 watts. Okay, that is for fast charging. Okay, so as you see, there's only the USB cable and the power adapter that is come along with the box. There's no back cover or the screen card. The screen card is fine because the glass is Gorilla Glass 3, so it should protect the phone good enough. But I think they could have provided the back cover. So now let's keep this aside. Okay, so now keeping this aside. So now coming to the phone. If you see, the phone fits really well in the hand. It's really easy to hold and its grip is really good. Okay, now let's start the phone. Okay, so that's the Samsung Galaxy M31s. So now coming to the physical view. Okay, on the right side of the phone, we have for the first time the side mounted fingerprint sensor with the power lock button and the volume button right on top. Okay, on the left side, we have the triple slot tray. It's come with a unique design where on one side you have the slot for 2 SIM cards, and on one side you have the slot for this memory card. On top, we have the noise cancelling mic. At the bottom, we have the 3.5mm headphone jack, USB-C port, the primary microphone, and the speaker grill. Coming to the back side of the camera, we have 64MP IntelliCam that notifies you the ideal solution to click in, 12MP ultra-wide camera that helps you capture all your eyes can see, 5MP depth camera for live focus, and 5MP macro camera for extreme close-up shots. To the front side, it has got 6.5-inch Super AMOLED Full HD display with Infinity O design, where the space used for the front cam is really small with 32MP selfie camera. So coming to the OS, it's One UI 2.0 Android 10 with Exynos 9611 octa-core processor. There are some pre-installed apps which you can uninstall if not required. The memory storage is of 6GB or 8GB RAM and 128GB internal memory. It has even got 6000 mAh battery with 25 watt fast charging adapter. Okay, now coming to the highlights. This phone can be used as a power bank to charge other phones. So I'm displaying it over here. I'm connecting the cable to this particular phone, the C-type cable, and I'm connecting the other end of the cable to the other phone. Okay, as you can see here, it's charging the other phone. Is the finger unlock. As you can see, it is quite fast. The face unlock works cool as well. Okay, so the next highlight about this phone, it's its battery. The battery is 6000 mAh and it has a charger of 25 watts and it's said to be super fast. Okay, so let's see how long does it take. So what I'm going to do here is, okay, so now the charge of this phone is 25%. Okay, as you can see, it's 25%. So now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to charge the phone for 5 minutes and see how much charge it takes. Okay, so let's charge the phone. And I've started the timer. Okay, so now let's see for 5 minutes. Okay, so now as you can see, we have charged it for 5 minutes and after 5 minutes, it's 31%. And for a phone below 20,000, I don't feel this is bad enough. The next highlight is the camera. In this, you have an option known as the single take, wherein you don't have to be a professional to click a picture. You just have to focus the image what you have to click, and then when you click, you get up to 10 photo and video outputs with just one take. So here you can see the different outputs that I've got by clicking just one picture. Okay, so this is the wide angle view and this is, you have it in the normal mode. Okay, so this is the wide angle view. So these are some of the pics that I clicked using the Samsung M31s. So the other highlight about the camera is, while recording, you can switch between the front and the rear cameras. So this is all about Samsung M31s. Hope you liked the video. If so, please do a thumbs up and do share. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe to my channel. See you soon with the next video.